Fala galera, agora vamos conhecer a CAMBRA Custom Speed Shop.
That's Bo.
Hi Paul. How are you?
That's Bo. Bo is working on this pickup right here, doing all the work here. I'm Ron. I own CAMBRA Speed Shop. This is my shop.
Ah, your shop?
Yeah, thank you guys. So this is our shop. We've been here 15 years, and we specialize in full builds like this. Yep. So this is a 56 F100 that we're building right now. Bo's been doing all the work on it, all the fab work, everything.
We have been here 3 times.
Oh, you have?
Sometimes another guy show for us.
Yeah.
Then always I make a tour with many Brazilian guys. But this time we
we
only
get a lot
make a video for the Guiado show. We come back in April to Viva Las Vegas and come here to bring many Brazilian guys.
Thank you guys for coming down.
Yeah.
So out here, follow me. It's kind of tight over here, so I don't want to go too far. But
Wow.
This is an isogriffo that we're building. It's a deal between Ferrari and General Motors for a client. These are some builds that we're in the midst of finishing, cars that we're finishing. Yep.
Perfect.
We do our own body and paint.
I've never seen this.
No, it's a super rare car. Yep.
Are we on the fridge?
Huh? Yeah. If we're gonna go out here, we can go out here. Let's be careful of this car. Probably best is come this way or tuck in that way if you want to follow us. Come this way. All right, we'll go out this way. Here, why don't you follow me? There's just some projects. We have boats.
What's the engine?
My Ian, it's their boat. It's a race boat.
Race?
He drives it.
Hi, guys.
They're from Brazil. They're doing a video here.
Wow. That's Ford?
Yeah.
454?
Drag boat. No, 540. 540 blown injected. Drag boat. Yeah. My daughter's boyfriend. You can follow. These are some projects here we're building, cars.
Wow, beautiful cars.
Yeah, dragsters. This is my daughter. My daughter's car. My daughter.
Are you a daughter?
Yeah, I have a daughter. This is her car. Yeah, my daughter drives this car, and that's her boyfriend that drives the boat. Yeah.
So
yeah. So Sophie, my daughter's a drag racer.
Are you make a drag bus like the Volkswagen?
Oh yeah.
With this
slicks on it and stuff.
Yeah, with a V8 engine in the medium.
Wow. There's a little project we're doing with some cars. I'll show you down here. So Ian's gonna have to roll stuff in. What do you want to put in here?
We gotta put the 40 in here.
Hey, Ian, they're gonna want to put the 40 in here.
Do it.
So this is the fab shop. This is where they do all the welding and cutting and grinding, and fabric, making things and moving things and chopping it and cutting it, and all the magic. Yeah, your little Nova that we're building. He's moving all the bumpers, cutting all the bumpers, tweaking them, and welding them up and stuff.
The Chevette?
A Nova.
A Nova.
Nova.
Yesterday, staying
Pela.
NE8
Huh?
ER, the twin line cruise, and many hot rod cars.
Oh yeah, yeah. This is Rick. That's
Hi.
Rick. They're all from us, from Brazil.
Yeah. Oh,
He's building headers for it, new headers. Building the headers.
good luck, kid. Very nice cigar.
Then
What? Who birthday?
oh, it's mine.
Huh?
Mine.
You?
Yeah,
Oh,
Monday. Here's a Model
birthday.
A. Thank you. Model
Monday? Last Monday?
A. Last Monday.
My son may make it the next Monday.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
that'll be the 10th. 10th.
10.
I was the first.
Really?
First.
So
Me
congrats.
is
We're
30.
Happy
Lieber.
birthday.
Happy birthday to you too.
Me
Third?
September 3rd.
Oh,
September
September 3rd.
3rd.
September 3rd.
One
Yeah.
day before you.
Ah. No, my birthday was Monday.
52. And
50.
you 45, yeah?
I'm 62.
Ah!
I'm old. I'm an old man. Old man. Yeah. And then, yeah, it's the coupe. We just put the motor back in it today.
What is?
Customers.
What?
Yeah, we do our own paint work. I have a body shop across the way over here. We do all our own paint work over there. I can't take anybody over there because it's private over there. But yeah,
I follow your Instagram. I
Yeah.
always see your pictures. I have been today in Ship Foods, Jim Shine,
oh yeah. I'm
Tomorrow
doing a couple cars for Jimmy in there.
Jim, yeah.
I'm doing 2 cars, a Porsche and a wagon for Jimmy, next door. But did you go see Jimmy today?
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
cool.
You make an autograph here?
Yeah. I have to get a Sharpie. Yeah, Sharpie. Well, come on in here.
Pipoqueira. Fala pra ele que isso é do logo do passeio.
From
This is the brand of this tour that he does. He brings people from Brazil to meet the garages.
CAMBRA.
This is the 8th time he does it.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Got it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you guys.